Hello, exam takers out there. This is another segment of Law Technology Tech Tips. Today we're going to teach you how to install the latest and greatest Examplify. As of this recording, it's going to be version 2.4.x. First thing you need to do is go out to examsoft.com, go to login. If it prompts you for the institution, type in SCULAW, select Santa Clara University School of Law, click on Continue, click on User Portal Login. At the very top, you as the exam taker will put in your 11-digit ID. And then your password. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the dashboard. There'll be 3 steps. Check the minimum requirements for your computer here. And then move on to the second step, which is download. And we're going to save it. So we're installing this for the Mac OS. Now that you have downloaded Examplify _2.4, let's go ahead and open it up. It's a DMG file, so it's compressed file. Just double click on it. We'll verify and uncompress it. Click on the Examplify _sign.package. Click Continue on the installer. Agree to the license. Click on Install. Put in your local profile password. To let it continue, it's going to write the files. Click OK to allow the installer to continue. It will run some scripts. Installation was successful, so you click on Close. It'll run for the first time. You're going to scroll down, so you have to scroll all the way down. Again, the institution ID for you, all you SCU Law test takers out there, it's SCU Law. Click on SCU Law School of Law, click Next. Again, it's your 11-digit student ID. And then your password for the user portal. Now you're into the Examplify dashboard. You'll see here on the left what's available for download. You just select what you need or refresh the exam list. And when an exam template for your midterm or final comes up, you select it and just download the exam. For more information, go to our site, law.scu.edu/lawtech. Go to the exam site, which is law.scu.edu/exams. Go to our help desk site, which is lawhelpdesk.scu.edu, or check out our YouTube channel at SCULAWTech.